lesson to me. Chapter 2 has a lot of work. You need algebra. Okay, please. Circle vocabulary. What is circle vocabulary? We have so many terms you need to know. Chord. What is chord? We have a circle. And we have a circle. The circle, for instance, we use O. We call this as, you can draw like this, O. Circle O. It can mean circle O. Means O is the center of course, a circle. If we have a radius, you know this before, right? So a line segment whose endpoints are on a circle. For instance, we have a line. This point is A, this point is B. So the segment AB is chord. Do you understand, please? The line AB, we will discuss very soon, okay, is so-called secant. We will discuss. The segment AB is chord. Longest chord means go to the center. That is diameter. So a chord that contains the center of the circle. The diameter of a circle is twice its radius. This is common sense. Okay, please. A chord that contains the center. Go to center, the chord is longest, is diameter. Diameter equals to 2r. This is common sense we learned. Okay, please. Now, circle vocabulary, secant. So this line, AB, is secant. A line that intersects the circle at 2 points on the circle. Some students still confused after finishing geometry class. AB bar means chord AB. AB, this one means line AB, is a secant. This line is we call this one secant. What is a tangent? This tangent is different from our chapter 7. Okay, please. A line in the same plane of the circle that intersects the circle exactly only 1 point with the circle C. This is a tangent. Just go to the circle, just 1 point. 1 point. 1 point. I'm sorry. 1 point. Okay? 2 points. This is a chord. Can you go through three points? No, you cannot go 3 points. So 2 points is a secant. 1 point is a tangent. Okay, please. Now we have some easy questions here. Those questions will happen to your quiz, please, next Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, please. So first, we go over together. Okay, please. I want to save your time. F, define F. Who can tell me F? What is the term for F? Tangent. F is tangent?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. F is a point of tangency or tangent point. Okay, please. Sorry. So the tangent. So we have some tangent. Okay. The circle at exactly 1 point. That point is called the point of tangency or tangent point. Do you understand, please? So this one should be F should be a point of tangency or tangent point. C is what? Center of the circle. Line FE. FE, this line is what?
Tangent.
Tangent to both circles. Do you understand, please? Tangent to circle H, tangent circle C. And AG. AG is tangent to both circles. Yes? DB. DB is what? Secant. Secant. DB line is a secant. DB bar means what? Chord. Good, good. FE. FE, yes, we already discussed. BE, last one. BE. BE is a diameter. Any questions, please? No, good. Now, we have 3 circles.
Is this going to be on the quiz next week?
Speak up.
The geometry schedule is so dumb. Test this week, quiz next week.
So we have 3 circles. find the diameter and radius ABC, describe the point of intersection of all three circles. Okay, please. Describe all common tangents, for instance. Okay, please. For instance, first, the radius AB. B is 2, C is 2, A is 2, everyone is the same, means three circles have the same size. And describe all common tangents. AB. This is AB. And AB. I'm sorry, AB is this one. Okay, I'm sorry, AB. AB, this is one tangent. Second tangent. Two tangent. Three tangent. Yes?
Wait,
Do you understand, please? Three. AB, for circle AB.
Oh.
Tangent. Can you find the other tangent? No. For instance, we have two circles, okay? Two circles. Like this, tangent. Like this, tangent. Can you find this? Another one? Yes. This tangent. This is a tangent. You have four tangents. Do you understand, please? Yes. For three, it's the same thing. Now, we have more important stuff for today, please. Because today we have so many stuff, okay, please?
We already did that.
First theorem for today told us in a plane, a line is tangent to a circle if and only if the line is perpendicular to a radius of the circle at its end point on the circle. For instance, this line M has one point P, only one point with the circle tangent. You can find one of the radius perpendicular to this line. If you cannot find any point perpendicular to the radius, you cannot find any radius perpendicular to the line, that point is not tangent. Tangent, if this is a tangent, for instance, this is tangent, you can find the point here perpendicular. If the tangent like this, you can find the point tangent. Do you understand, please?
Yeah.
So if you cannot find the tangent radius, that point is not radius. Okay, please? Now we have question. This question is there. Not very hard, but something to confuse. First question. Every question is the same thing. BC is the radius. Determine whether AB bar is tangent to circle C or no. Why?
No.
AB is tangent or not tangent?
Not tangent.
No.
It's not perpendicular.
Because BC is
Not perpendicular.
the radius. This one goes this one, maybe go this way. Do you understand, please? Yes. So this one is not. Second one is yes or no?
Yes.
Because AB tangent to one of the radius. Perfect. My question now is, if without this right angle mark, this is AB is tangent or not tangent? How to do? Without this mark. Pythagorean, yes. How to use Pythagorean? 50/1, 68, 85 is too big. You divide it by 17, divide by 17, d7 17, so 3, 4, 5 is the right triangle. So Pythagorean is good. This is tangent. So don't use 51 square plus 68 square equals 85 square. You cancel 51 divided by 17, 68 divided by 17, 85 divided by 17. You get a 3, 4, 5. Because 3, 4, 5 is right triangle. So this is right triangle. Why? The same triangle. This is 3, 4, 5. This one just 17 times bigger. You understand? Similar triangle. Okay, good. Last question. It is tangent or not tangent? AB is tangent or no? No. If the tangent, you check a square plus 16 square equals 19 square, 64, 16 square is what? 256, good. 19 square,
I don't know.
361. They are not equal. Because they are not equal, this angle is not 90 degrees. because this is not 90 degrees. So AB is not tangent. Is that clear? Good. This kind of question must be your quiz, for instance. Okay, please. And some question like this. Solve for x. So please, this question something is still confused. 81, 99, this side, this is x, this is 81. Something cannot say. From here to here is 81. This part is x. So solve for x. In the diagram, assume that segments are tangent if they appear to be. So it means this is tangent. Okay, please. Now, how to set up the equation for this one? Who can tell me, please? How to set up the equation? How to set up the equation to solve for x? Yes?
You have x squared
Yeah.
plus 99 squared is equal to 81 plus r
Mhm.
x plus squared.
What?
Do you understand me, please? So Pythagorean, this is x, this one should be x. A squared plus b squared equals to c squared. C is x plus 81. Do you understand him or not? Okay, good. Now you just lots of work you have to do. Okay, please. For this question, same thing. Who is a volunteer to set up the equation for me, please?
Wouldn't it be x squared plus 4 squared equals 8 squared?
Is that correct?
No.
No?
8 squared.
Yes. Maria. Can you tell me, please?
8 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared, or x squared.
Equals to what? Almost done. Yes.
It's 4 squared plus 8 squared equals 4 plus x squared.
Thank you.
Oh, because x is just a segment outside of the circle.
This side is x. This side is 4. But this question is not very good, to be honest. Okay, if I were a teacher, I would not make this one. This x should be right somewhere in the middle. Okay. Yes. Okay. Sorry. This is a 4 squared. B is 8 squared. A squared plus b squared equals to c squared. This one is parenthesis 4 plus x squared. Because x plus 4 is c. So the quiz test must be there. Don't make a mistake, okay? Last question, easy question. Who can tell me, please, how to do?
No.
Easy question. Yes?
X squared
X squared
plus 12 squared
plus 12 squared
equals 25 squared.
Thank you. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Is that okay, everyone, please? Good. Now, we take so long. I'm sorry, some students say, Mr. Lee, I want to do assignment. I want you to do assignment, but I'm scared. If I give you time, I don't go over something. Some students understand, some students don't understand. Okay, please. If you think this is too easy, okay, some students say, this is too easy. And you can read the book. You can do assignment, but I don't want you to talk something else. If you talk something else, other people cannot concentrate. Second theorem for today is the last theorem for today. This is so important. It's not easy work. If S is a point out of the circle, P, from S, draw two tangents to the circle. RS is tangent segment. ST is a tangent segment. Those two always congruent. So this is very easy to prove. For instance, right triangle. This side is congruent. This side is congruent.
Oh, wait, I remember
This side should be congruent. Yes. Now, any point, for instance, this point, this tangent, those two sides are congruent. The point is here, tangent, and the tangent, okay? This side equals this side. Any point out of the circle, tangent to the circle, two segments congruent. Okay, good. Now, this question is easy. Set up the equation. For first one, who is the volunteer? Set up the equation for me, please. 2 more slides, okay? I want to finish as soon as possible, but I really scared for some students, okay, please? Who can set up the equation for me, please? And yeah, some other students, okay? Who can set up the equation for first question? Solve for x? Yes.
6x plus 5 equals 37 minus 2x.
Perfect. Thank you. Why? Because from this point, tangent, this side equals this side. From this point, tangent to this circle, this side equals this side. By reflexive, this side equals this side. Perfect. Set of equation. Second question, set of equation for me, please. Second question.
4x squared plus 5x equals 6.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You are correct? Yes. So this kind of question, you move to the left, is a quadratic equation, which requires students to factor in easy. Maybe this is not easy, okay? We require students to do some easy question. For instance, x squared minus 7x plus 12, okay? You get x minus 3, x minus 4 equals to 0. For the quiz, you need to know factoring, okay, please? Last one. I give you 2 minutes. Then you tell me set of equations solve for x, okay, please? Read the question, try to set up the equation, tell me how to do. 2 minutes, okay, please? Some students, I'm just sitting there waiting because Mr. Lee will go over or other students will go over. After you go over, I understand that is not a good way. If you can set up the equation, you can solve many similar, very hard questions. For instance, we have so many questions. For instance, the circle inside, okay? For instance, this side is 5.
Yes.
Can you find this side, this side, this side? Yes, some question like this. I will give you hard problems next week, okay, please? Now,
So this one.
you can do this question. You probably can go to do some hard problems.
So this won't be on the quiz.
Yes. Listen, this question, similar question must be on your quiz or test. Every question I show you on the board must be there. But listen, sometimes teachers say, oh, too many questions, you take this question off. Maybe take that question off. But generally it's there. Okay? Set of equation. 2 minutes.
Sonia, what you get? Okay.
The question is, this side is 18, this side is x, radius is 5, solve for x. Do you understand the question or not? Yes. So first you have to understand the question. If you don't understand the question, you cannot do anything. Okay, please? Now, who is the volunteer? Raise your hands, please. Today, so far, nobody set up the equation for me. Last period, all 199%, just one small error. But after we go over 85%, they can do this question. Now, I want to see who can set up the equation for me. Second theorem, any point tangent to the circle, always congruent. Give you some hints. Who can set up the equation, please? Why? For instance, I don't want to do something. I just go over 1 minute. You just do assignment. I want you try to do something. First, you really learn something. Second, the test, similar question, you handle as ABC, 1, 2, 3. If you don't know, some people go over, you understand, it's different story. Maybe you cannot do. Again, who is the volunteer? No? Okay, I don't want to take you so long. 3 minutes left. From this point, go to this side, go to this side, congruent. This point, go to this side, go to this side is congruent. This side is congruent. Now, pi squared, this is A squared. B, for this part, radius, this is radius. This is x plus 5 is B. This is x, this is what? This is 18 minus 5. Do you understand me or not? You understand me is yours. Now you just solve the question. But this question is easy. Why? This is not a quadratic. X squared you can cancel. 324 x plus x squared plus 10x plus 25. Be careful. First the number square. 2 times x times 5. 5 squared. Equals to x squared 26x 169. X squared cancel. You move here 16x 169 move there. This is 349. You get 180. So x equals to, and divide by 45 over 4. This is not a whole number, I'm sorry. Okay, please? Understand me or not? Maybe you need more steps, but you understand me or not?
How do you get 10?
Okay, good question. X plus 5 square. The formula is a plus b square is a square plus 2ab, 2 times 5 times x. But if you don't know, use FOIL. X plus 5 times x plus 5. You should know this.
Yeah, I know.
X times x, 5 times x, 5 times x. Many students made a mistake. X plus 13 squared equals to x squared plus 169. No. X squared plus 2 times x times 13. 26x plus 13 squared is 169. Is that okay, everyone, please?
So the radius is considered to the side?
Yes, the radius is always the same. This is 5. Totally is 18. This is 13. This is 5. This is 5. 5 plus x. But this question is easier. The real test has a quadratic equation you have to factorize to solve. This question you don't need to factorize to solve. So this question is similar but easier. But it's almost the same thing. Maybe the question give you, okay, this is x, and this is 21. Give you change some numbers. You have to find this side, a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. Understand me, please?
Yes.
Good. Do assignment. Opposite